Hello everyone, I Dr. R.D. Patil, Head Department of Zoology, Vasantarav Naik Arts, Science and Commerce College, Shada. Dear friends, today I discuss about the class SYBSc Zoology, paper 2nd, Zoo 302, Biochemistry. Further, for discussion about this course, I also inform the students to specific condition, that is also called as a pandemic condition, to all over world. At this time we have regular teaching is not also attending your class, so I discuss about the particular condition for the student of the SYBSc. Please note the few instruction. I also speak in Marathi. मी सर्व SYBScच्या विद्यार्थ्यांच्या वसंतराव नाईक कॉलेज शहादा इथे SYBScला ॲडमिशन घेतल्याबद्दल मी स्वागत करतो. काही महत्त्वाच्या सूचना आहेत की सध्या गेल्या 3 ते 4 महिन्यापासून कोविड-19 ह्या आजाराचा सर्वकडे संसर्ग असल्यामुळे रेग्युलर कॉलेज होऊ शकत नाही, म्हणून आपल्या कॉलेजने असं ठरवले की ऑनलाईन लेक्चर घ्यायचे. ज्या मुलांचं SYBSc झुलॉजी किंवा इतर वर्गांमध्ये ॲडमिशन झालेलं आहे त्यांच्याकरिता आपल्या महाविद्यालयाने जवळजवळ ऑगस्ट महिन्यापासून आपलं ऑनलाईन लेक्चर सुरू केले आहेत. त्याकरिता काही महत्त्वाच्या सूचना मी विद्यार्थ्यांना देऊ इच्छितो. त्याच्यात पहिल्यांदा असं आहे की प्रत्येक मुलाकडे आपला अँड्रॉइड मोबाईल पाहिजे. मोबाईलमध्ये आपल्याला ऑनलाईन शिक्षण प्रणालीकरता लागणारे जे ॲप असतील त्याच्यामध्ये झूम मीट, गुगल क्लास किंवा गुगल मीट, गुगल क्लासरूम, फेसबुक, also WhatsApp, also Telegram, and few more important app to get by download, because these apps is most important for your online education. Automatically each and every student to require the specific type of the links are creating the every day in the form of the WhatsApp link, as well as your Zoom meet lectures, audio, video, any kinds of the lectures are seen to easy in particular apps. So the student has to request to complete this type of the facility in your mobiles. So we discuss today SYBSc Zoology syllabus of Zoology paper 2nd semester 1st, Zoo 302. In this course the student to completion for the 3 theory courses and 1 practical. Out of these 3 theory courses, course number 1st Zoo 301 is a physiology, course number 2 Zoo 302 biochemistry, and course number 3 practical course, that is Zoo 303. In this course practicals are remaining from physiology and biochemistry, and 1 course of the theory is a AC, it is called a skill environment advancement course, that is ACC. In this course apiculture will be studied. The all kinds of the courses are get the credit 2, paper 1st as a credit 2, paper 2nd credit 2, also as a practical credit 2, and ACC course also credit 2. So this syllabus we teach the course number Zoo 302 biochemistry. We discuss about this syllabus of this biochemistry. In this course there are the 4 units, that is unit number 1st is a carbohydrate metabolism. In carbohydrate metabolism we have detailed study what is mean carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are give the different roles or important roles in the human body, and which how many types of the metabolism are creating. These points also discuss. in the specific point of view: glycolysis, Krebs cycle, pentose phosphate pathway, glucogenesis, glycogen metabolism, review of electron transport chain. This type of the subtopics are discussed in the unit number first. Unit number 2 is lipid metabolism. In lipid metabolism, we have biosynthesis and beta oxidation of palmitic acid, lipogenesis, lipolysis. This process is specifically how creating the done by the body. So first we know about the what is mean lipids, different types of the lipids, and give the process of your body, how many types of the lipid metabolism are creating. We discuss about this unit number 2. Unit number 3 is the protein metabolism. In protein metabolism also same, to discuss about the what is mean first protein, how can proteins are important for the living organism, and the different types of the proteins are used in regular as well as routine works in living organism body to conducting different activities and also the process of the metabolism. So in protein metabolism, biosynthesis of amino acid, transamination, deamination, decarboxylation and urea cycle. This subtopic will be studied in this unit number 3. And last is the unit number 4 is the enzymes. In unit number 4 we most important units, because enzyme is essential to needs any kinds of the function of the living organism. That is, different kinds of the functions are creating for the digestion processes as well as different activities of the living organisms are controlling by the different kinds of the enzymes. So enzyme chapters to introduction of the enzymes, classification of enzymes, mechanism of action, enzyme kinetics, factors affecting rate of enzyme mediated reaction, and last is the inhibition and regulation of the enzymatic processes in your living animal body. So all kinds of the 4 units are completed in a semester first. Out of these 4 units, first we discuss about the today as what is mean biochemistry, because कारण सर्वांना आपल्याला माहिती पाहिजे की बायोकेमिस्ट्री हा विषय आपल्याला का या एज्युकेशनसाठी किंवा शिक्षणासाठी घ्यायचा आहे आणि त्याची डीपनेस किंवा त्याची आपल्या लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिजच्या बॉडीवरती कशा प्रकारची ॲक्टिव्हिटी होत असतात त्या संदर्भातलं आपल्याला बघायचं आहे. मग तत्पूर्वी आपण त्याच्यामध्ये बायोकेमिस्ट्रीची बेसिक माहिती आपल्याला माहिती पाहिजे. तर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिअर स्टुडंट्स, वी नो अबाउट दी what is mean biochemistry. Biochemistry, sometimes called the biological chemistry to get by the name, is the study of chemical processes within and relating to living organism. Means any kinds of the chemical reactions are creating any living organism body also requires by the different chemical processes. For example, simple to get, आपण साधं उदाहरण घेतलं की we have the eat the food. आपण अन्न घेतलं, अन्न घेतल्यानंतर बॉडीमध्ये आपण कधी विचार करतो का खाल्यानंतर ते कुठे पचलं काय झालं. तर दिस काइंड ऑफ द प्रोसेस वी एनगल्पिंग टू ईट फीडिंग टू गेट एनी बॉल ऑफ द फूड मटेरियल in your body to entered, we pass from your digestive system. Digestive system has different kinds of the parts, and these parts also active role to different kinds of the process. That is, first time the food is pass or present in the mouth. At this time mouth has get the masticate to particular hue in mouth region, mixing of the saliva also passing the food material into the pharynx, esophagus, crop, small intestine, large intestine, finally to the nitrogen excreta. So completion of this process are creating by the specific biochemicals or chemical molecules are present in our body, and to get specific role for the creating the digestion process. So these of the process are creating by the biological chemical methods. So this type of the is a simple example for only digestion. How many types of the processes are creating in living animal body, and so these type of processes are carry on are creating in biochemistry. So biological chemistry or study of the biological chemistry is essential to give the known all kinds of the chemical reaction processes in human body. So automatically biochemical processes give rise to complexity of life. In simple, the term biochemistry itself is derived from a combination of biology and chemistry. Means the two meanings are combined, that is biology plus chemistry, and combined to form the process in this subject. Biochemistry is a chemical processes within and related to living organism. Particular processes are creating in human body or living organisms at these times which required the chemical process in your body. It is also called a laboratory based science that brings together biology and chemistry. By using chemical knowledge and techniques, biochemists can understand and solve biological problem. Means it is important process in all kinds of the living organism. For instance, in every living cell, there is a crucial biological processes called as a respiration. As a few more example, also the digestion, same for the respiration. Respiration is the processes we completion to get the pass the air in your body. It is in the process of the respiration, that is inhalation and expiration. This process are carry on. O2 are entered, CO2 are released. This specific mechanism process are creating at this time the important factors which are required for the body are also absorbed by the inner cell of the body, and unwanted factors which are not used or not used important for the body we release from the in the form of the naturals excreta outside of the body. So in respiration process, to O2 is get in your body near about in the lungs, alveoli is present. In alveoli the chemical reaction is takes place, that is Hb plus O2 to form by HbO2. It is also called the oxyhemoglobin. This oxyhemoglobin is most important, is nothing but a way in this respiration process two specific reaction is creating to form by the oxyhemoglobin. Oxyhemoglobin also as a gives the molecules or oxyhemoglobin is most important to require the energy for the living organism. So in this step, this processes is conversion of glucose into useful form of the energy, which is called as ATPs. In long forms, adenosine triphosphates. Adenosine triphosphate is the main energy products to require the every living organism to do work. The study of biochemistry uncovers the numerous chemical processes involved in converting glucose into carbon dioxide and water. It's the same to the output to get any important products or chemical components are absorbed and unwanted products are released from the outside body. A sub-discipline of both biology and chemistry, biochemistry can be divided into three fields, or also as a structural biology, enzymology and metabolism. So the biochemistries as these three branches are most important. In structural biology, any kinds of the living organism as required or parts to how many concerning the form by the structure of the biology. In enzymology, to study the different kinds of the enzymes which are most important role to all kinds of the physiological or chemical processes in the living animal body. And metabolism. Metabolism is most important process in which the energy are creating or also required energy are producing. So this process also further divided into the anabolism and catabolism. Both processes are also one process is forming the energy. In one process the formed energy are utilized. So biochemistry point of view, the all kinds of the metabolism is most important role to living animal body. Biochemistry is closely related to molecular biology. Molecular biology also important branch of the cellular biology to get the importance or chemical processes to form in our living animal body to get detailed study. The study of the molecular mechanisms of biological phenomena in this particular molecular biology. Much of biochemistry deals with the structure, function and interaction of biological macromolecules such as proteins, nucleic acid, carbohydrates and lipids. So these four is also called as a biomolecules. Biomolecules are most important roles in your living animal body, because this molecule that is produced by the living organism, biomolecules are produced by the living organism, so it is called as a biomolecule. Biomolecule also called as a biological molecule, any of numerous substances that are produced by cells and living organisms. There are four major types of the biomolecules, that is proteins, carbohydrates, lipids and nucleic acid. Those all kinds of the four biomolecules in a living organism body are most important roles. Carbohydrate has a specific role, proteins has a also important roles, lipids also important role, and nucleic acid has a most important role to creating by the living organism body. These four main biomolecules are used to in our biochemistry in the form of the important roles. These biomolecules in the form of the monomers or also the polymers. These different kinds of the monomers or polymers are used to specific chemical reaction in the living organism body. Thank you.